Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing well. So this morning we got a little gift. I think they must still be in the Christmas spirit over at Walgreens. But these three boosters apply or just showed up. So definitely apply them to your account. We have a 10 back when you spend 50. We have $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 30 on cough medication, that sort of stuff. And then a 7 back when you spend 25. All of the start dates for these boosters is Sunday the 29th. This one also showed up yesterday. I don't believe you can load it anymore. And it was stacking with last week's because the start date was like the middle of the week. And I successfully got my $27 basket for free and a $7 moneymaker. If you wish to watch this video, if you can line this up using 2 digitals and 1 paper booster, and definitely look at the start and end dates so you're not going to the store and messing up. I mean, you can really make something happen. So this video will be linked at the end if you wish to watch it. The first deal we're going to talk about, I would recommend to do this by Saturday the 28th. As on Sunday, we're going to start a new month over at Walgreens, so I'm not sure what the price point of this WICK kit is. It says it's usually $16.99, but right now it's on sale for $10.99. We have this glorious $5.50 digital coupon, so please make sure you have it loaded. And if you head over to your IBOTTA account, we have $6 back, and it's at many stores, Walgreens included. So double, triple check. You have this in your rebate app, IBOTTA. So looking at the math for this one of these Airwick kits for $10.99, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5.49 out of pocket, get $6 back from IBOTTA, free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. Okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster, but a nice little freebie. As stated, guys, we are having a new month starting on the 29th. So we're going to have new monthly deals. And with this month, we are no longer going to have the P&G insert. I know a lot of us would get a couple at Walgreens at the beginning of the month, but it's not there anymore. So it's going to be kind of curious to see the digital coupons that they provide for us in all of the digital apps, Dollar General, Walgreens, Rite Aid. We'll have to keep an eye on that. And I certainly don't like that, but hey, it is a sign of the times right now. Now, we also are going to get new IVC coupons, which are also digital. And if you look at the date on this one, it says from the 29th to the 25th, and there's a whole bunch of these, which IVC coupons, instant value coupons by Walgreens. So if you want to look through your app and see what they might have, whole bunch of new digital coupons or IVCs. Okay, so the first deal we're going to look at, which is a deal of the week. If you decide to do a bunch of these deals of the week, which is buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, do them in separate transactions. This one is for the Love Beauty Planet at $7 a pop, and we're going to have a 7 off 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. Looking at the mathematics for this, 3 of the Love Beauty Planet is 21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 14, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $9 for the 3 or $3 per shampoo. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you absolutely can use your Walgreens cash to pay down a little bit of the balance to get that register reward. Should not be a problem as long as you're not doing it with a booster. Fetch Rewards has this rebate, and Love Beauty and Planet is part of it. Sometimes when they have a certain amount of these rebates and they're not all claimed, Fetch will extend it. So definitely check your rebate app if this might be extended, because that's an extra $2.70 per VU. So yeah, definitely check the Fetch Rewards account if you might have this on Sunday morning. Next deal of the week that we have is with the Tresemme hair care, $6 or $7, and then we have up to a $5 coupon. So I'm assuming it's going to be a 5 off 2. So grabbing 2 of those Tresemme products, grabbing 3 of the Tresemme products at $6 a pop, that's 18. Subtracting that $5 digital, you're paying 13, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 8 for the 3 or $2.66 per. And if you looked at that Fetch rebate, Tresemme is part of Unilever. So if it still might be around, guys, definitely photograph your receipt for this to get more points back as well. Now we're looking at the Olay, and unfortunately my Ibotta rebate app, that 5 back when you spend or buy 3, I don't have it anymore, but maybe you might have it. So grabbing 3 of these Olays for $21, we're going to have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, pay 16, get back a $5 register reward, making it 11 for the 3 or $3.36 per. If Ibotta resets that 5 back when you buy 3, I mean, it could be a better deal, but I don't see it in my account. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that $5 register reward. but perhaps a cheap deal for some Olay body wash. If you're doing a much larger basket, so like, spend 50, get back 10, that's sort of a booster. Maybe you'd want to throw one of these in, $12.99 Tide, so it would drop it down to $9.99 with a $3 digital coupon. Unfortunately, I don't have the fine print for this, but $4.99, $5 reward. Is it buy two or buy three? I don't know. And typically, they always give us a $2 digital for either the Irish Spring or soft soap. Keep an eye out for that on Sunday morning. Now, the Cottonelle at $4.99. It's both Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex. So that is a killer price because it's usually like $7.49 or close to $8. Grabbing two of the Cottonelles for $9.98. I would use a $5 store register reward and $5 of Walgreens cash and pay down the tax and call this a super smart deal. Double, triple check your Fetch Rewards account. Some accounts have rebates for Cottonelle, like buy two, get 500 points back or something like that. But all those little points on the Fetch Rewards app amount to gift cards. Okay, now the all Snuggle products at $3.99, and typically when they have it at that price point, there's always a digital coupon like $1.50 off to drop it down to $2.49. Double, triple check your app for that on Sunday. Also, BOGO free for the Lysol wipes, these 80 packs, which are really convenient for the car or if you have a bunch of little fur babies and you got to clean up some messes. I love to have these around the house. We have a 50-cent digital, and there's also a 50-cent rebate on the coupons.com app, so make sure that you go and activate that. IBOTTA is giving back a very generous quarter for each, so you'll get 50 cents back for buying the two. So looking at the mathematics for this, two of the Lysol wipes on a BOGO free promotion is $6.99. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, you're paying $6.49, making a 50-cent submission to IBOTTA, quarter times two, and then a 50-cent submission to the coupons.com app, making it $5.49 for the two or $2.74 per bag of Lysol wipes. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, guys, so honorable mention time. Definitely be on the lookout for digital coupons for these following products that include Crest, Burt's Bees, all that stuff. If $5 reward when you buy three, so it's part of that promotion, plus $3.99, $4 reward back for Colgate. There might be some magic to that. Look for digital coupons on Sunday. $3.99 for various My Walgreens paper towel, toilet paper. This is a very good deal for this sort of paper if you are not fussy about, your toilet paper. I've become kind of fussy. But $3.99 is definitely a stock up price. And then 2 for $7 for the Ruffles, Tostitos, and then cheaper coffee. Definitely use some Walgreens cash. Goodness gracious, any way you could save $1. We're getting close to the Super Bowl. I believe it's going to be celebrated sometime in February, like the second week. So they're going to have a lot more food, like chip sort of deals, pizza deals, and then also a lot more soda deals, including 2 for $13 for the DiGiorno. And then if you're a keto dieter, 2 for $10 for the Oscar Mayer. That is the cheapest price I have seen it anywhere, even like Walmart. It's gotten crazy expensive for bacon. And 3 for $11.99. I think that is the best deal for soda this week. BOGO free for the Fruit Loops, and also BOGO free for the Arm & Hammer. But sometimes they charge like $7.49 when they have the BOGO free promotion. When it's $1.99 most weeks, a little cheaper pour vu. And then the final soda deal that we're looking at, I think the Kool-Aid Jammers 2 for $5 is a very good deal. So it's $2.50 per instead of $3.49 each. And then 2 for $6 for those Pepsis, also a really good deal. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.